Are you tired of spilled drinks and losing your stuff? Well, you need a RoboCup. RoboCup is a patented double drink holder caddy that's got a world of uses. It is super simple to use. Squeeze, squeeze, and attach. That's all it takes. To remove it, squeeze again. Opens up nice and big. So what makes RoboCup work? RoboCup has a patented design with 2 clamps, 2 springs, rubber overmold, making it a very reliable design. When you clamp on a RoboCup, you can count on it. The bottom caps open up for easy cleaning and even for a fishing pole. So how can you make a RoboCup even better? With optional accessories that supercharge it. You have the RoboCup Plate, which is a project workstation and food station. You have the RoboCup Plus, which just holds larger drinks and a portable speaker. And you have the RoboCup Holster for pens, phone, snack bars, carabiners, sunglasses. It's all part of the RoboCup family. With 22 different color combinations, the toughest choice is going to be which one you're going to buy